ZingBank build affiliate sites in minutes. This is another video where I'm going to show you, actually, I will produce in front of your eyes a complete system out of nothing with the ZingBank and actually the software behind that, the one-step developer. So what I'd like to do is I went over to ClickBank and I found this pretty cool offer from Ted, whatever, 16,000 wood plants. So what I'm going to do right now is I try to register this domain on GoDaddy, 16,000woodplants.com. Let's have a look. It's actually a waybill, so add to cart, continue to cart. No thanks, I don't need privacy. Continue with these options. That's actually how the whole purchase process to get a domain. I just want to have 1 year because my goal is to flip the site after. And we have 10 euros. Yeah, that's great. Okay, sign in. Okay, so actually complete purchase. And I'm now the owner of 60,000woodplants.com, which is perfect. Now what I have to do, thank you for your order, email, blah, 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 blah. Pretty much cool. Go to manage my domains. And as seen in the video on the welcome screen, I have to change the name servers to NS1 Best Beats Online, NS2, which I do right now. Holy macaroni, what is this? Search domain 16,000, 16,000 plans. Okay, so let's go to GoDaddy. Let's go to my account and my products. Everything I do here is described actually in this welcome video here, but I want to show you exactly from scratch what I'm doing here. So let's search this 60,000woodplants.com. Where is it? Show more, sorry about that. 60,000woodplants.com. So I go to the DNS and I will change the DNS. As you see, there is no technical stuff required. Using default name servers, nope. I want to go to custom and I want to enter this one and I want to enter this one, which is number 2, and then hit save. Invalid format, okay, so it's HTTP ns1.bestbeatsonline.com. Oh, wait a second, I know what it is. It's without HTTP, I guess. Save. And we are good to go. So actually what we did is we said GoDaddy that if someone comes to the page 16,000woodplants.com, please redirect to wherever we built the page, and that's actually what we do here. And we go to create a website. Let's go to woodplants.com, let's copy paste it. So, and I already searched for a template to create a website. So this one. Now the software asked me the domain name which I just purchased, so put it in here. And as you see, install your website, current name servers, ns1bestbeats.com. That's everything I did here. So it's already done. No technical stuff required till now. So let's install the website. And what happened now is the software will do behind the scenes, connect everything, like the domain we just purchased, the graphics, the copywriting, yeah, everything, okay? And we just wait until the software will do the stuff for us. As here, name server has been confirmed. The new website is ready to install on the domain. If there is already a website, some files may be overwritten. So let's check what happened here. Okay, can't be reached. Sorry about that. Let's go back. Whatever happened, probably my internet is fucked up. So let's have a look what happened with my browser. It's completely fucked up at the moment. It's not that cool. Oh, here we go. Some stuff is loaded, sorry about that. But as you see, that's actually what we have to gamble with all day, every day. So let's have a look what happened here. Okay, so what was wrong? So actually it's installed, but let's have a look if it's really installed. I don't believe. Oh yeah, it's already installed. It's perfect. So here you go. Usually you will redirect it to this page immediately, and as you see, we already good to go. If you just put in this website, we already have an awesome page in place, which is 16,000woodplants.com. So what I have to do right now is not more and less than go and edit this page. Probably it works, maybe not, but I believe it will work. So we have here, oh, it's already tedsplans.com, so I have to change this one to my affiliate idea, which is their mark. Save changes. And I do nothing else more than that. So pretty cool. And if we go to 60,000, what was the name again? I forgot it. So if we go to this URL, let's make a new tab. I already have www.16,000woodplants.com ready to go. And the coolest part is give me access will redirect me direct to the form from Ted's working, the number one working resources. And as you see on the bottom of the page, affiliate is their mark. So I built a whole construct in less than 10 minutes while I explained it, while we had some server troubles, but actually that's how it works. So that's the power of ZingBank. And if you like, just to give you another example, if you like, you can to go to edit, and you actually can edit everything here. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3. Save to page. And as you see, it's right here, go live. Check it out here. 1, 2, 3, already written here. And that's actually the power of ZingBank. So we built a whole affiliate environment in the wood niche with a done for you page, with access, with everything. I mean, that's just, I mean, I don't find words for that, but have you ever built sites in less than 10 minutes like that? Your decision. So if you like to get into this stuff where you can choose from over 360 templates in over 20 niches, and that's just another video to show you the power of this software in the wood niche. I mean, go over the templates, choose some offers, get a domain, costs you $9, and you're ready to go in less than 10 minutes, even if you have some server troubles. I mean, that's amazing. Just click the button, dive into it, and you are actually, let's say, you are 7 minutes and 1 click away from your own affiliate environment that can make you money every single day in over 20 niches. Thanks for watching, and